Hello everyone, welcome to another video of website tutor. In this video, I will teach you about basic start of web development. First we have to go over Notepad. Let me clear, we don't use Notepad in developing, but at the start we have to practice about tags. Now we have to go over Notepad. In this we have to start basic structure of HTML. If you don't know about HTML, I will link in my previous video in description. You can go and check all the languages I'll cover in this video. We can use a less than sign for starting a tag. HTML. We can close it as well with a slash. We can type anything about web we want in these tags. Now, as you know, every head structure has a head. So we can type head tag. We can close it as well. Now, in head tag, we can use a CSS link or attach a CSS file here in head tag, and also we can give bootstrap CDNs for working in tags. In head tag we can also give a title. Title is the name of any web. You can give it anything what you want. I will give it YouTube lecture. Now after the tag head we can start a body. The main thing of the web is body. Don't write it BODAY, it's BODY. In body we can type a paragraph, and before writing a paragraph we have to type a heading. In web development, or H2 tag close. Be careful about tagging open and tag closes. I am giving the space for justify. Here H3, H4, and the last one H5. We can use H6, but H6 is similar than paragraph, so that's why we can don't use it right now. H6. In H1, H2, H3, H4 and H5, a minor difference between it, a size difference. There is a size difference of in all these heading tags, and if we want to type a paragraph, I have to use the tag P, use for paragraph. In paragraph I can type anything what I want. Okay, you can give anything what you want. In heading we can type heading 1, heading 1 for just reminder of us, and in this heading 2 heading 4, and the last one is heading 5. Now we have to run it to check our coding is right or wrong. We have to run it on Chrome, and first we have to save it. So Control S. I have created a folder in home bootstrap. There's the folder I created. YouTube. Here is the folder I created, and open. Here I am saving the file. For saving a file I have to give the name. You can give any name. I am giving youtube.html. .html is compulsory in HTML files. You can save it here, and now go to the saved file and open it in Chrome. I'll save it in directory D, YouTube, and here is the file. I'll click here. I'll picking the folder, and here you're seeing my Facebook page. You can also link copy. Here you go. You are seeing here I'll give title YouTube lecture. You are seeing here YouTube lecture here. H1 heading 1. You can see the size difference in heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, and heading 5. You can also see that paragraph will type in P type. This is also showing. If I want to bold the word development, I can go and give a tag of D to development at the start of development and at the end of development. Let's save it, Control S, and now check it with a refresh. You can see development is bold. If I want to italic YouTube, I have to tag it with I. On the first of YouTube and last of the YouTube. Let's save it with Control S. Open the Chrome and refresh it. You can see YouTube is italic. If I want the class word to be underlined, I can go in our notepad, open a tag with U. U is used for underline. At the end of the class I can use a dash U and also Control S. You can see class is underlined. So this is my first lecture of YouTube. I hope you like the video. If you really like the video, please subscribe my channel and like this video. For more videos, be connected.